Let me tell you something most guys get wrong. You don't need expensive grooming products to look good. You already have one of the most powerful glow-up tools sitting at home right now. Vaseline. Sounds boring? Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at it the same way again. Today, I'm showing you 5 Vaseline hacks that can instantly upgrade your look. Simple, cheap, effective. Let's get into it. First, dark circles. This one is a game changer. Almost everyone has them. And no, our goal isn't to make them disappear completely. We just want your face to look fresh, awake, and healthy. Here's the problem. The skin under your eyes is very thin. When it gets dry, the blood vessels underneath become visible, and that's why your dark circles look darker. Vaseline doesn't whiten dark circles. What it does is lock in moisture and repair your skin barrier, and that alone makes a huge difference. Here's what you do. At night, after washing your face, take a tiny amount of Vaseline. Gently tap it under your eyes. That's it. Do this every night, and over time, your under eye area will look more hydrated, smoother, and less tired. Second hack, lip therapy. Don't skip this. Quick question. Do your lips look dry or cracked when you wake up? That's because your lips lose moisture while you sleep. Here's a simple nightly routine. Before bed, take your toothbrush and gently brush your lips for a few seconds. This removes dead skin. Then, apply a thin layer of Vaseline. Vaseline seals in moisture and protects your lips all night. By morning, soft, smooth, naturally pink, zero dryness. Do this daily, and your lips will stay healthy no matter the season. Third hack, eyes. Underrated but powerful. Your eyes are the first thing people notice. And here's a secret most guys ignore. Eyebrows alone can change your entire face. Thick brows and clean lashes instantly make you look sharper. Vaseline helps because it locks moisture into hair and skin, keeping them healthy. Before sleeping, apply a very small amount of Vaseline and lightly coat your eyebrows and eyelashes. That's it. Over time, your eye area will look cleaner, more defined, and naturally groomed. Fourth hack, fragrance. This one boosts attraction. Smell matters a lot. In fact, people remember others more by their smell than their face or clothes. But here's the problem. Most perfumes fade fast, no matter how expensive they are. So, before applying perfume, dab a tiny amount of Vaseline on your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind your ears. Then spray your perfume on top. Vaseline slows down evaporation and locks the scent in. Result? Your fragrance lasts hours longer, sometimes the whole day. Remember this rule. Vaseline plus perfume equals to long-lasting presence. Fifth hack, hands. People notice this instantly. Your hands say a lot about you. When you shake hands or talk using gestures, people subconsciously judge how clean and well-groomed you are. Dry, cracked hands? Instant turn off. Here's the fix. Before bed, apply Vaseline to your palms, knuckles, and nails. Massage it in properly. If you can, wear cotton gloves while sleeping. By morning, soft, smooth, healthy-looking hands, the kind people actually notice during a handshake. And that's it. 5 simple Vaseline hacks. No expensive products, just smart habits. Try these for 1 week, and you'll feel the difference when you look in the mirror. If you want more easy grooming tips that actually work, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay sharp.